Hi everyone, this is AP Singh. I welcome you all on my channel Medicos Marathi. Hope you all are happy and healthy. My dear friends, today it's our image series number 5, and in this series today we are going to decode images related to subject microbiology. Okay, so before starting our today's image decoding series, I want to request all those who are new to my channel, my dear friends, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press on notification bell icon because it will give you updates for all important upcoming videos. And what other thing you have to do, watch this video till end because you are going to get many important images which will help you lot in your upcoming exam or which exam you will give in future. Okay, so it's very important image decoding series for microbiology. So let's start. First image, what do you think what this image is telling you? Okay, so my dear friends, this image is related to ant amoeba histolytica. Okay, and here you can see, if I tell, here you can see this is ulcer. Okay, this is intestinal ulcer. Okay, and it is bowel lumen. Okay, this is bowel lumen, and this is outer layer epithelia, this is stroma. Okay, stroma layer. Okay, and this is ulcer, intestinal ulcer. Okay, so it is flask shape ulcer, and the parasite responsible for this is entamoeba histolytica, and this can lead to condition related to intestine and liver. Okay, and if it is causing ulcer or this condition in intestine, then we will say it as intestinal amoebiasis. If it's in liver, then we will see liver amoebiasis. Okay, अगर इंटेस्टाइन में हो रहा है तो इंटेस्टाइनल अमीबियासिस, लीवर में हो रहा है तो लीवर अमीबियासिस. ओके, व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट इमेज? Here you see, it is erythrophagocytosis, and this event occur by Entamoeba histolytica. इसका रीजन भी क्या है? Entamoeba histolytica. Okay, so my dear friends, what is meaning of erythrophagocytosis? Here you can see. Okay, here you can see erythro means a red blood cell. Okay, phagocyte means eating of. Okay, so किसका eating हो रहा है? Red blood cell का. So macrophage a phagocytic cell is eating erythrocyte. Okay, so this process of eating RBC or erythrocyte by macrophage a phagocytic cell is erythrophagocytosis, and this event occur by ant amoeba histolytica. Okay, what is next image? This image is of trophozoite. Okay, trophozoite of ant amoeba histolytica. Okay, and what is important thing which you have to remember in the trophozoite of ant amoeba histolytica is pointed pseudopodia. Okay, ये जो pseudopodia दिख रहा है ये pointed pseudopodia है. It is very different feature for ant amoeba histolytica. Okay, and in another type of ant amoeba we will see another form of pseudopodia. Okay, so आपको याद क्या रखना है? अभी इस इमेज में याद रखना है कि एंट अमीबा हिस्टोलिटिका में कैसा था? pseudopodia पॉइंटेड था. नेक्स्ट इमेज जब आएगी वहां पर कुछ अलग होने वाला है. सो रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट हियर. ओके, एंड keep watching this video till end, my dear friends. Okay, here you see what this image is showing you. This is cyst. Okay, this is cyst of which organism or which parasite? It is of parasite ant amoeba histolytica, and here you can see there are 1 to 4 nuclei. Okay, you can see easily there are 4 nuclei, and this is cyst of ant amoeba histolytica. पिछली इमेज में क्या था? ट्रोफोजोइट था. यहाँ पर क्या है? cyst है. What is next? Next image, इट इज ए ट्रोफोजाइट. ओके, आपको पता क्या करना है, किस ऑर्गेनिज्म का है, किस पैरासाइट का है. ये क्या है? सिस्ट है. ठीक है, किस ऑर्गेनिज्म की है? ये हो गया क्लियर, ट्रोफोजाइट है, ये सिस्ट है, लेकिन ऑर्गेनिज्म का नाम क्या है? एंट अमीबा कोलाई. ओके, एंट अमीबा कोलाई. एंड अमीबा हिस्टोलिटिका में जो ट्रोफोजोइट था वो कैसा था, ट्रोफोजोइट में जो सूडोपोडिया था वो कैसा था, पॉइंटेड सूडोपोडिया था। बट यहाँ क्या है, यहाँ थोड़ा अलग है, ब्लंट सूडोपोडिया। सो एक डिफरेंस आ गया ना। एंड अमीबा हिस्टोलिटिका हैव pointed pseudopodia, but ant amoeba coli has blunt pseudopodia. And in ant amoeba histolytica, cysts have 1 to 4 nuclei, but ant amoeba coli have 1 to 8 nuclei in the cyst. So difference create हो चुका है ना यहाँ पर। उसके अंदर क्या था, पॉइंटेड न्यूक्लियाई था, यहाँ पर पॉइंटेड सूडोपोडिया था, यहाँ क्या है, ब्लंट सूडोपोडिया। वहां पर क्या था, सिस्ट में 1 to 4 न्यूक्लियाई, यहाँ पर क्या है 1 to 8 न्यूक्लियाई। ओके, लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट इमेज। what this image is of, what is this, what do you think? Okay, I will tell you. This is trophozoite. Okay, and we say this acanthopodia. Acanthopodia से आप समझ चुके होंगे किस ऑर्गेनिज्म, किस पैरासाइट का है। ओके, सो लेट्स सी, it is cyst. Okay, and you can see wrinkled double cyst wall. Okay, yes, we can clearly see, दिख ही रहा है। और ये जो ऑर्गेनिज्म है, ये जो पैरासाइट है, इसका नाम है अकेंथ अमीबा, अकेंथ अमीबा। ओके, and here you can see the cyst is wrinkled. Okay, wrinkled cyst दिख रही है ना, easily you can observe this easily. And this is double cyst wall. Okay, you can clearly see it is double cyst wall, and it is trophozoite of acanth amoeba. And you can see clearly that how it is appearing. Okay, it is really different from previous one. Okay, so it is also said as acanthopodia. Okay, what is next, what do you think, what is this, what this image? I think you understood from here that it is cyst and it is a trophozoite, but of which organism? My dear friends, this is Balantidium coli parasite. Okay, it is Balantidium coli parasite, and this is trophozoite of Balantidium coli, and this is cyst. What you are seeing in this image? Here is also this image, and here is also, both are looking like same. So what is the same thing here? We see that bean or kidney shaped macronucleus in trophozoite as well as cyst. ओके, सो ये bean shaped है, यहाँ पर भी bean shaped है, दोनों में दिख रहा है, ठीक है। What is another thing? Both are binucleated, both are binucleated. So Balantidium coli में क्या याद रखना है, trophozoite और cyst, bean shaped macronucleus. Okay, and both are binucleated. Okay, let's move to next. What is this image telling you? It is of Toxoplasma gonadi, okay, which is generally responsible for causing toxoplasmosis, okay, and it is tachyzoids, tachyzoids. This appearance you will say as tachyzoids, and it is trophozoite of this this whole structure. This is trophozoite of Toxoplasma gonadi, and we say this structure as tachyzoids. Okay, what is next? Here we have three images. Okay, second one, third one. You have to identify which parasite is this. I will give you little hint. These are coccidian parasite. Okay, now you have to tell me the name. Okay, if you can tell, okay, if you can tell it, then it's very nice. If you can't guess, then let's see. This organism is Cryptosporidium. This is Cryptosporidium. This is Cyclospora, and this is Isospora. Okay, अब साइक्लोस्पोरा, आइसोस्पोरा, मैंने इनको एक सीरीज में लिखा है, ठीक है। आई राइट दिस हेयर इन सीरीज। here you can see it is 4 to 6 micrometer, it is 8 to 12 micrometer, and it is 23 to 36 micrometer. So it is in increasing size. Okay, so examiner जब भी क्वेश्चन देगा, सबसे छोटा जो होगा वो क्या है, क्रिप्टोस्पोरिडियम। ओके, Cryptosporidium coccidian parasite, 4 to 6 micrometer, and the stain which is best used for this is acid fast stain, और acid fast किस में यूज हो रहा है, आइसोस्पोरा में। Okay, but acid fast is variable in use with cyclospora. Okay, so we use variably it with cyclospora, but it is जनरली यूज्ड विद क्रिप्टोस्पोरिडियम एंड आइसोस्पोरा। सबसे छोटा क्या है? क्रिप्टोस्पोरिडियम। आइसोस्पोरा क्या है? सबसे बड़ा 23 to 36। ठीक है, और याद कैसे रखेंगे? क्रिप्टोस्पोरिडियम 4 to 6, 6 का डबल कितना है? 12, 4 का डबल कितना है? 8। ठीक है, तो क्रिप्टोस्पोरिडियम का डबल कर देंगे तो क्या साइक्लोस्पोरा हो जाएगा। ठीक है, और आइसोस्पोरा क्या है? सबसे बड़ा है, उसको कैसे भी याद रख सकते हो आप। ठीक है, तो क्रिप्टोस्पोडियम से साइक्लोस्पोरा हो चुका है। ओके, सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज अबाउट आवर इमेज सेशन टुडे। Thanks to everyone for watching this video. I hope that you watched this video till end. If you are watching this video till end, then thanks to everyone for watching this video till end. And other request which I want to do you, that if you are new to my channel, then you have to subscribe to my channel and press on notification bell icon, and also don't forget to press on like button. Okay, surely if you feel that this video is helpful, then press on like button and press on subscribe button and press on notification bell icon. So thanks to everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy.